Do you want to become a better concert photographer? That's what this YouTube channel is all about. How to become a better concert photographer. And I'm Robert Maxfield. I've been a concert photographer in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas since 1977, and I'm glad you're here. Happy holidays. We finally finished our last show last weekend. It was a benefit for a friend of ours, and one of the photos that I donated actually did very, very well, and I'm very pleased about that. So pretty much, it's this year we're trying to wrap up. So what's going to happen next year? Good thing you're listening, because what we're going to do is we're going to start doing some live streaming. We're going to show some of the things that we do. In this video, I'm also going to show you some of the photographs that were taken during the year, and give you a little bit of example of that. And that's just the start.